Dude, do you have enough fire sauce?
I gotta get more. Do you think 14 is enough?
I don't know. It might be enough.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Don't eat too much.
You gotta. When you're dealing with this much sauce, you gotta. Oh, that's gross. That's gross. Never too much sauce. Dude, did you see your that burrito that you got looked a lot bigger up on that menu?
Yeah, I know. Like, the circumference
that
looks
big.
like 2 pie, but it's really just pie.
It's gonna be so good.
Dude, what does that mean? What is cosine, integral of cosine to the 5th x?
Well,
Alright, so to solve this integral, you have to move it around a little bit before you can do a use of. So you use the trigonometric identity cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. And you plug it in for this, so you get the integral of 1 minus sine squared x squared cosine x dx. Because 1 minus sine squared x equals cosine squared, so if you take out a cosine, it's cosine to the 4th, and that's cosine squared, so you can just plug it in. And then you do a use of sine x for u. So du is cosine x, and then you plug it in, 1 minus u squared du, because the cosine is canceled out when you divide by the derivative of u. And then you take the integral, and you get, what? U minus u squared plus u to the 3rd over 3. And you guys know how to integrate, hopefully. And then you plug back in sine, and you get sine x minus sine squared x plus sine cubed x over 3. And this is your answer. Plus C, yeah. Plus C, that's a C. Alright, that's your answer right there. Yeah, well, this is plus C too. Alright, cool.
So for the integral of tan x, you start by separating tangent into sine of x over cosine of x dx. Now you're going to want to do a u sub with cosine of x so that you can cancel out this sine term. When you take the derivative of cosine x, you get negative sine x, and now you can plug that back in to where you get sine x over u times 1 over du, which is negative sine x. You cancel these terms, and you're left with a negative on the outside and 1 over u. Now you can take this term and get negative natural log of u plus c, and you can plug cosine x back in for u, and you get your final answer as negative natural log of cosine x plus c.
Alright, so to take the integral of this, what we need to do first is square it and then see where we end up and go from there. So the integral of 4 plus 4 tangent x plus tangent squared x dx. And from there, we can split it up because they're added together. So it's 4 integral of 1 dx plus 4 integral of tangent dx, tangent x dx, plus the integral of tangent squared x dx. problem, y'all know that it's the natural log of secant. So we have 4 natural log secant x. And then this one, we can use the trigonometric identities to change it into something that's more manageable. So from this, we get this, and then tangent squared equals secant squared minus 1. So we get the integral of secant squared x. I'm going to go ahead and split it up. So secant x minus the integral of 1 dx. So now we have 4x plus 4 natural log secant x plus, and the integral of secant squared, y'all should know, is tangent x. And that's x, so minus x. And then your answer is 4 natural log secant x plus tangent x plus 3x plus c.